All right, so I just received this as I was getting ready to like film a makeup look for you guys. Brow products. Looks like we'll swatch them together and you guys tell me what you guys think. So I'm gonna start with chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse. So this is chocolate mousse. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. Chocolate mousse is that one. They're so precise. And then Java. I believe when they had the brow products, I was using Java for my eyebrows already. So Java. So this one is Java. Hopefully you guys can see that, because it wants to focus on my face so badly. Okay, that's Java. This is cold brew. Cold brew. This one right here is cold brew. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what it looks like. Hopefully it shows you, but that's what it looks like. And it does come with a spoolie on the other side. And then this one is almond. 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 Let's see, that's more brownie, like a warm brown. Almond. Latte. Latte. And then lastly is biscotti. Biscott. Whatever. Biscotti. I want to say biscotti. Biscotti. This smells like a lighter shade. You're gonna barely be able to see that. These are the 6 shades. So I will be definitely going with Java, because I feel like Java is the one that I usually tend to go more because my hair is black. I'm just gonna do like little strokes just to fill in, because I used to shave my brows and now it's like, oh, that looks good actually. Okay, Java it is, guys. And then, and this is the contour sticks. There's 7 contour sticks with neutral color undertones. It also has a built-in sharpener. Oh, yep, right here in the back. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of them for you guys. I'm gonna start from the bottom to the top. This one is a neutral cool undertone. Do it right here. Oh, this one's like really dark. That one right there. Balance. This one is like a darker brown. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. This one is that one right here. Sharpened. That's another brown right there. This one is that one right there. Is that the names of the colors? Yeah, it is sharpened. And then this one is sculpted. Sculpted. That one right there. Refined. Refined. Right there. So these are contour sticks. This one is in enhanced. And then we have tapered. Oops. Tapered right there. So these are contour sticks. I will be using these in a different video because I already did my contour. So now we're gonna go ahead and use the brow gel that comes in this. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's tiny. So it gets like all the hairs. Right. I think I like it. I like it because it kind of like grabs all the pelitos and it's like you can put them to the direction that you want. That's what the brows look like. I like it. All right, so just wanted to share with you guys. Just because they're trying to come out, but the new brow, the new products for brows for Morphe. That's what it looks like.